Yo guys, what's going on? I'm just here today, jumping on just to run through quickly on how I trade S&P 500 or Nasdaq during the London and New York opening times. So if you jump on the charts, here today, the trade I took, I think it was a little bit more than 2.5, or I think it was a little bit more than that, I'm not too sure. So the trade we took was a 1 to, I normally aim for like a minimum 1 to 3. So if you jump over here, we're on the 15-minute time frame. If you want this indicator, trading sessions, just go to indicator, type in trading sessions. When it pops up, there you go, trading sessions just there. So I keep that here so I can navigate when New York opens. So open up the tool. Here we've got the London on the higher time frame. We've been extremely bearish for like 3 days. Pretty stupid for me to enter for shorts, as it's like massively in the discount zone. If we go over to the, let's say, the 1 hour time frame, yeah, it's one. Here's a confluence right here, down here. We're touching the demand zone. We've swept the sell side liquidity as well here. So that's liquidity sweep over here. Jump over to the 5 minute. So on the 5 minute, New York, London, was trickling down. Here, this is the demand zone from the left, which I've marked out. So I was just waiting for New York to open before I entered the trade. I don't enter the trade as soon as New York opens, because you could just potentially get stopped out immediately, just for price just to go in your way. So what I did, I'd wait for the liquidity sweep down here. That's why I've put NY manipulation, because it's indicating that it's a strong bearish move. Actually, like, you got the big bearish candle down here. I would wait to see what price action would do, and then we see this huge engulfing candle. So if you jump onto the 1 minute time frame, which is why I entered, there's a little bit more noise, but as we come open to New York, right down here, we have the manipulation here. So this candle swept the liquidity down here. People would enter for like a little buy, swept liquidity again, before pushing to the other side. So when I've seen these two candlestick patterns just down here, zoom in for a little bit. We see there we have a long wick right at the bottom, and a half decent body, which is a telltale sign that demand is set in the market. So there's another confluence aside from the demand zone we have over the left. So there's two confluences. And here it's just where I entered for the trade, really. I just targeted these highs, just because you never know where price goes. So if you target 1 to 3, you're kind of in that range. And as you can see, let's say you go for the last 15 minutes, price action is just completely taken out all of this buy side liquidity, all the way up here. So in theory, that could have been a pretty crazy, even if you entered on a pullback, let's say here, for a good swing trade. What's that? Target 1 to 3 again. Stop loss below these lows. That's like a 1 to 4 almost, which would give you like pretty insane results. So yeah, that is just a quick video on how I trade the Nasdaq, London and New York manipulation. Peace out.